A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Santosh Kumar. I'm a research scholar in the Department of English and Modern European Languages, University of Lucknow. Today I am here to present my research paper in the national seminar on tribal cultures, identities and sports in modern India. The topic of my research is tribal writings and social realism, reading Mahasweta Devi's The Right to Forest. First of all, we all have to know the meaning of tribe, but before that we should understand and appreciate the Indian culture, which is diverse and has been shaped by thousands of years of history. It is an cordial amalgamation of religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism and Buddhism, and home to many other religions. And apart from that, there are from history to now, there are various languages. As we know, our constitution recognizes two official languages, Hindi and English, and apart from that, we have 15. You can say that the regional languages. A very famous proverb that qualifies the aspect of language, that in Hindi it said that कोस कोस पर बदले पानी, चार कोस पर पानी. It depicts the how the languages of India is very diverse. And apart from languages, there are food, culture, clothing, dance, music and theatre. But as you know, every coin has two aspects. One we already discussed. The other side of the coin depicts the story of those who are believed to be the original inhabitants, or you can say that the indigenous people, or in the layman's language we call it the Adivasis of India. There are two similar words that are, but the meaning is different. The one word is Adivasi and the one word is Vanvasi. The term Adivasi was brought by the Britishers in 1930s, but the Constitution of India uses the term scheduled tribes or Anusuchit Janjati to describe tribes, whereas Vanvasi means forest dwellers who works in tribal areas. The history of tribes in India is marked as resilience, adaptation and struggle. The concept of tribal writing can be understood the textual and narrative expression related to indigenous or tribal cultures. The form of writing often challenges the mainstream literary norms by emphasizing oral traditions, cultures, collective memory, and a close relationship with natural, spiritual, and community. It also shows the reality of the society. It depicts everyday realities, often highlighting the struggles of ordinary people, particularly within marginalized or oppressed communities. Social realism in literature is characterized by its commitment to truth, objectivity, and a critical examination of societal structures with a focus on exposing inequalities, injustices, and the harsh realities of life. Mahasweta Devi's The Right of Forest explores the complex relationship between tribal communities and forest, critiquing how colonial and post-colonial government marginalized indigenous rights. Devi highlight the exploitation of tribal people and their displacement due to the industrialization, deforestation, and the commodification of natural resources. My conclusion is the right to forest is a powerful critique of systemic oppression and environmental injustices. Mahasweta Devi urges society to acknowledge and rectify the historical wrongs inflicted upon tribal communities by restoring their rightful possessions on the natural resources. Thank you.